Whitehall is on a journey to create a new town that offers a new way to live, inspires the community, and sets a new precedent for the state of Delaware. One of the joys of living at Whitehall is the opportunity to fill your days with the things you love most. At Whitehall, they are already planning lots of things to do in the neighborhood. But for those times you want to pull yourself away, the world is just outside your door. A family gathering area featuring a beer garden provides community entertainment with movies, music, food trucks, and more. Small community-owned stores line the streets, and your education is a short walk away. Laurelwood Grove Elementary School will open in 2019. Located in the center of Mapleton Village, Whitehall is beginning to bring the community together in sustaining ways. The Appoquinimink School District is renowned for preparing children for the future and to compete on a global level. In addition to intensive focus on STEM and workplace learning, the performing and language arts are also key to their success. As this community continues to grow, Delaware's future will shine bright. Come join a community and culture in the making.